Hello guys, you are welcome to Rosonyekachi YouTube channel. As you can see, this is family time and we are going to catch fun in the Zoom. Now you can look at the background, you see all the beautiful people walking around and the kids also making me so feel good. Wow. Man, I wish I was an electric car, but at the same time, we feel like walking around is the best thing to do. It's been a while, we took some nice exercise. See the way I'm holding my child, you see? You see? And she's dragging me. And the beautiful places we could see. Wow, if we're on an electric car, we can't do that. Look at the flowers, how they are sitting, the nature. You can see my daughter, you know? She's the most elegant one. Huge, tall. We had a beautiful time and we're still catching fun too. So, guys, follow us as we explore the whole zoo to see some beautiful animals and the nature what God have created because it's so beautiful. And Bible say, give thanks to God for the beautiful things He has made. And we have a wonderful friend, yes, who is always coming along with us. Every It's not easy. Going now with family. Man, this is serious duty. I got some nice three kids to run after. See that one? That is the general.
Authority, come here. The eyes will open now. No, don't pick anything from ground. Let's go. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and we are going home. God bless you all. Goodbye.